Just doing a video and someone's knocking. Hi there. Thank you so much. You too. That was my UPS guy. So anyway, welcome, Sandra Edmond, Queen of Tax Deeds, and I'm going to give you an extra tip Tuesday on a Wednesday. So on my screen here is a video that I'm making for one of my virtual assistants. So remember, I'm always telling you guys the beauty in having a virtual assistant. So figured, why don't I just show you guys real quick something that I do. So instead of typing out instructions, I made a quick video on my screen. I'm uploading it to a private YouTube channel. So it's a YouTube channel that most of the videos on there, it doesn't really have any videos on there for the public, but it's videos that my virtual assistants are using to do their homework. They're doing their work with it. So on this particular one here, I just made a video showing them how to go back through my marketing list and remove the properties that have sold, because we're using the program PropStream to do that, and then also remove them off our Mojo dialer, the auto dialer. So that way we are not making phone calls to people that have already sold their properties, which this can take a lot of time to go through all the lists, delete them, and make sure that we don't have them different places. But one thing will happen is you'll be tempted to do it on your own. That's just a waste of your time. Spend time trying to build your business, make offers, and don't spend time on just hitting delete on your computer. Let the virtual assistant help you out with that. So when I go to upload my videos, this particular one, I guess I should have not shown that, but okay. Come over here, I'm going to put not made for kids because of course YouTube wants you to do that. And then I'm going to hit next. And I always make it unlisted. But because I'm doing this video and you just saw the URL on here, I've got to make it private so that only the people I share it with can see it. So that way, not everybody's looking at this video because I'm about to post it on YouTube and I don't want everybody's eyes on my list that I'm marketing to. So what I'll do here is just put in the information here from my virtual assistant, and then once I hit save, it's going to start uploading. So you can easily do your little operations manual, your set of instructions, even if you don't have anybody to build instructions for. Start doing it now before you have anybody. That way when you do have somebody, you can just easily write an email, put some links to the instructions, and you don't have to do that much. So anyway, I'm getting ready to upload this, and I'm going to go ahead and add my VA to this to share it privately. But just wanted to show you that, and hopefully that encouraged you to take more off your plate so that you can be more productive. So that's my little tip Tuesday. Bonus tip for you. Even though it's a Wednesday, you're getting a tip Tuesday. Have a good one and happy investing.